dark, but tonight we are going grocery shopping. I actually went yesterday, but I was thinking it probably would be easier to grocery shop without me actually shopping. The only thing I forgot to get yesterday was yogurt and strawberries, so I'm gonna get that. But first we're gonna film and I'm gonna show you guys what you need to get to gain at least 3 to 5 pounds in 1 week, but you have to be consistent and eat these items either every day or every other day. So come on along. My name is SydTa'bre. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I used to be known for gain weight content on this channel, so we're definitely getting back into it. The link to the workout will be down below. I've been doing this workout for 8 weeks and I have 4 weeks until I go to a Houston rodeo. So the goal is for my thighs to be thicker and for my glute medium to be a little wider, and that's the top glute. So yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. So come along. Told y'all in the last video, take your purse in with you just to make you feel more girly, flirty, all of that. Bananas is not what you want. You need your banana to be green, the closest, but you really want it to be green. Alright, so these are $7.99. Amazing. I just bought a pack. This will be my second pack. 270 calories. You put them in your air fryer for maybe, it'll tell you directions on the back, but these 20 out of 10 for gaining weight and sustaining your weight. Okay, so if you're balling on a budget, they have pink salmon, $7.65. For me, I bought these last time. I give them a 8 out of 10. They're only 125 calories, so you will need to have at least 2 of them. But if you're balling on a budget, this is perfect. You can add to a salad or, you know, the appropriate size. I love mixed vegetables. These are only 98 cents. I think mixed vegetables are amazing. We all need our green intake. Spinach is good. These are 50 calories. These are 50 calories. Absolutely love the strawberries. Just what I'm getting today. Love these. These are the frozen. They come blueberries, berry, mango, mix, all of it. But these are $4.29 and they're 50 calories. Buy these with, get this with granola. This is Greek yogurt. I eat this every night or every day, or I just add it to my smoothie. This is 200 grams. Let's make sure to focus. 200 grams and 200 calories with 5G, 23 total sugars, and then 5 grams. These are amazing. Next up, we have honey nuts. These are really good to snack on if you are a snacker. 130 calories, which is amazing. If you are a snacker, this is what you need on me all day. These are 160 calories. Ice spicy, you gotta eat your oats, you guys, every morning or every night before you go to bed. 150 calories with 4 grams of fiber. This is amazing. I just add them to my yogurt. Okay, so last but not least, they have different type of peanut butter. This one is 180 calories. It's 200 calories, so this is really good. You know, it's a spread. I be seeing girls with this. I have not tried this. It doesn't seem like something I would like, but I might one day. With some raisin bread toast, I probably make it work. So I'm definitely gonna get this the next time. So make sure you guys follow my Pilates page. It will be linked right here, and then follow my YouTube channel. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, Fridays, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next come to gain some weight with me.